the context, the sentences. They are out of context. And now the smaller sites are the ones who are going to be really hit by this kind of thing, because maybe nature is maybe not, it maybe run on a shoestring budget, and a lot of pasty and other clipboard services are going to just suffer a lot like this. What do you think is going to be the picture in 5 years? Because this was unstoppable anyway.
For the matter of simplicity, I just wanted to say it. We use text, but in no way you're limited to text. You can upload a picture, and a picture can contain more information. And artistic is very interesting subject. You can draw some crazy shit, and nobody can tell you this is an ugly picture. It's maybe an ugly picture, but it's your art. So text is not the only media that you can share nowadays. You can share images and videos and even flash files. So you're right. In the battle of becoming pure text, they can have some advantage because, again, text can be recognized and can be put into context. But what about sharing images or sharing videos? They're much more harder to detect, whether it's a real picture or a picture that's translated into a command in the control center. The question, what will be in 5 years? That's what we're trying to figure it out. We came here to spread the news and ask you guys. As far as we're concerned, and we think the way the web is going, the way the internet is going, in the beginning, like the web 1.0, things were very static and companies control the web. And now in the web 2.0 area, they say, well, the user should control the web, the user should embed their information, and like companies open wikis and blogs, and they want you to enter your personal opinion. And this opportunity is actually a storage. They're coming and say, hey, you can use our servers and our power and our bandwidth to put the messages. Now they're thinking you will use this opportunity to share your opinion about the product and maybe feedback for other customers, but you can also abuse this. And this is basically what Turbot does, is abuse opportunities for companies and philosophical concepts that says the user should have ownership on the data. And I don't know, as far, in my humble opinion, as far as I'm concerned, the web only goes deeper into that. More and more sites says, okay, you can post the news, you can post comments, you can post links, you can post images, and make us your website, make us whatever you want to be. So it will be very, very interesting to see how they eventually going to moderate it. And of course the question is, in this type of thing, moderation should be automatic and very, very smart.
So basically you're telling us that the future is CAPTCHA everywhere plus APIs with API keys for automation.
Yeah, the funny thing about CAPTCHA is it's seriously damaging the user experience. For instance, imagine that you have to enter a CAPTCHA every time you have a Google query. That will surely put people down from searching that much on Google. Now, of course, if everybody will do it, then you won't have a choice, or maybe somebody will make a website that doesn't require it. But in that sentence, trying to force people to log in, trying to force people to enter some sort of human validation processes such as CAPTCHA, which is designed that way between a human and a machine, it's not something that every website can afford. And you can see, for instance, Google are aware that today malwares are using their websites to find targets and to find the next victims. And they don't put CAPTCHA on the website. They're trying to do their best to detect these patterns and take them offline. But they haven't taken it for like, okay, for each time you're going to prove us that you're human. So I guess it's completely something else.
Another option to fight this phenomena is to have some anti-bot technologies which are not CAPTCHA and which are transparent to the user and online. And we see some kind of development in this field, like challenging for accepting an be posed. For example, doing some challenges to check if it seems that there is a real user behind that or not. So I think this field is really very young, but maybe if it goes, that could be a solution to the problem that we present. We'll see.
Well, thank you very much for your presentation. So now we're going to end. We are